Hello everyone. Today we will see the difference between put and post. So we will do API call with Cypress automation put. So I'm going to share my screen. See, yeah, we have completed get, post, test cases. Now we will see the put. No, it can be under this one. Put .cy.js. See, normally what is meant by put? What is meant by post? See, post, no? Post is nothing but when you create a new API, when you create a new API, new create mm, creating a new API with payload or a response body. Mm. So there should be a response body or payload when you are creating a post method. Okay, put method, no, put, it is just say put is nothing but replacing or updating the existing data. So post and put. So these two are the differences. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm doing, we will do put test. So it is similar. Same it as copy. Okay. It is same. Copy the post test case and paste here. Okay. So put means I'm updating the post data. So we are updating the post data. Put means put if you want to update. See, you are creating post means you are creating. If you want to update the API data, no, so any of the data in the API, just with the help of put, you are going to update that through automation. So here the HTTP command will be put. Just a slight changes we are doing. Put and see there should be a dummy request, right? Put. So copy this. See, put is nothing but update. Put is nothing but update. Copy this. Copy this. Control V. See, previously when we are doing no, post, the data is name and the job is leader. Now with the put to know what I'm doing instead of job, what I'm doing, I'm making him as a teacher. So this is what I have updated the payload or response body. Response body. For updating the payload or response body, so they will go with the put command. Put. So for creating purpose, you will use post. For updating the data, now it was before. See, it was before. It was later. Now it is updated with teacher. Okay. This is payload or response body. Okay. Now just run it. Now, so for post, for put, right? 200 is the response code. No, no. For put, what is the response code? Put the response code is 200. Just change it to 200. Okay. Just run it. Go here. Go to specs. Put. See. Now name is equal, but teacher is updated. So if you want to update the data instead of post, If you want to update the data, go with the put HTTP request. It is pure opposite to post. Post is for creating the API. Put is for updating the APIs. I hope this is very helpful, guys. Thank you.